Who is the Maverick for? The kind of person with a lot of ground to cover, who needs a tight turning radius to parallel park in narrow spots, and a 4.5-foot flex bed to haul what they need to haul. The kind of person who wants to get around the city and escape it, who keeps things moving and gets things done. It's for the kind of person who goes the distance, with a standard 2.5-liter hybrid engine that has a targeted EPA estimated city fuel economy rating of 40 miles per gallon and 500 miles of range on a single tank of gas. It's for the kind of person who's got stuff to bring, who needs a truck that's got available max towing capacity of up to 4,000 pounds. It's for the kind of person who needs space. Space for their things, space for their friends, space for their family. A truck with functional storage options, room for 5, and a full-size second row that can hold them all. It's for the kind of person who wants technology at their fingertips, who wants a truck with an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay compatibility for your iPhone, Android Auto, 5 performance-enhancing drive modes, and wireless charging capability, just to name a few. The kind of person who needs their truck to be as versatile as they are, with a flex bed system whose vertical and horizontal slots are customizable and has outlets so that they can charge whatever they need to charge. Because they create stuff, they do stuff, practical stuff, spontaneous stuff, all kinds of stuff. So who is the Maverick for? The kind of person who wants all that the Maverick can offer, starting under 20 grand MSRP, because they're the kind of person who has things to do, and they can finally go about doing them. The all-new Ford Maverick, built to defy expectations.
The Ford Maverick is a new kind of pickup, versatile and capable, built for makers and doers, stunningly fuel efficient and built Ford tough. It's the truck for people who never knew they needed a truck. Here's everything you need to know about the all-new Ford Maverick in just 3 minutes. Maverick is the first ever standard full hybrid truck. Maverick comes standard as a 5-passenger, 4-door pickup available in XL, XLT, and Lariat trim levels. The standard 2.5-liter hybrid has a targeted EPA estimated rating of 40 miles per gallon in the city and 500 miles of range on a single tank of gas. The truck bed is a makerspace. This flex bed system offers all kinds of organization and DIY solutions, like vertical and horizontal slots for 2x4 and 2x6 boards that you can use to build your own bike racks, service bed dividers, or any number of other solutions. A multi-position tailgate and 10 available tie-downs to secure your items. 2 available 110-volt outlets, one in the cabin and one in the bed, can power phones, tools, and electronics. And a standard electric 12-volt DIY pre-wire package in the bed can be used for wiring lights, and a 4.5-foot bed, 6 feet with the tailgate down, can help haul bikes, furniture, or that next DIY project you're working on. Maverick has a lower ride height, which makes getting in and out a breeze. And most adults can reach over the side and easily grab whatever you need. It has a max payload capacity of 1,500 pounds and standard towing capacity of 2,000 pounds. And of course, Maverick is built Ford tough. The available 2-liter EcoBoost engine, which provides optional all-wheel drive, also has an available max towing package of 4,000 pounds. Maverick is built with smart technology like a standard embedded modem, which allows you to start, lock, and unlock your vehicle from your Ford Pass app. The standard 8-inch touchscreen also provides seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 5 selectable drive modes to help enhance performance and confidence in various driving conditions. It has Ford Co-Pilot 360 technology like standard automatic emergency braking and auto high beams, as well as available adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane centering, and evasive steering assist capabilities. This truck was designed with smart storage solutions to accommodate how people live. Like there's a place to store a tall 1-liter water bottle. Store your gear in the large bins under the rear seat, door pockets for stashing laptops or tablets, and bed storage for things like tools or rope. Maverick boasts a tight turning radius and compact size for easy driving and parking around the city. Maverick has city maneuverability with truck functionality. The truck is ingeniously designed to be customized inside and out to suit your lifestyle, and it delivers on the built Ford tough durability and capability you expect. Finally, the all-new Ford Maverick starts at just under 20 grand.
I'm Jay Kistler, Vehicle Engineering Specialist at Ford Motor Company. The bed of the new Maverick, which we're coining the Flex Bed, is a makerspace in the sense that it enables the customer to do what they want to do. Whether it's more utilitarian things like going to the hardware store or the furniture store, or more lifestyle-based activities like biking and surfing, we've enabled those activities in an optimized way through the bed, both through content that's available in the Maverick and through this idea of enabling do-it-yourself construction. We interviewed our prospective customers and learned what sort of things they wanted to do. And we did find people are reliant either on purchasing accessories or alternatively, this idea of doing it themselves, putting a bike rack in their bed in a way that might involve drilling through the sheet metal. We found as we researched this element of customers doing it themselves, we found things that we would not want to endorse. And we set out to better enable those same things in a way that we would endorse. We knew early on the approximate size of the bed, so 4.5 feet long by just over 4 feet wide. We started by making a mock-up out of poster board and foam of those dimensions. And then through a series of workshops with our engineers and with our prospective customers, we worked with that low fidelity prototype, positioning things where we would want them. If they could be anywhere, where would we want the things to be? Until we ultimately had a comprehensive design direction to be able to deliver that in the ultimate truck. The Flex Bed really consists of 3 elements. It's sort of content that's baked in to the product itself. Number 2, it's the accessories that we've designed the bed to accommodate. And number 3, it's this idea of enabling do-it-yourself. As part of the Flex Bed system, there's 10 available tie-downs, and those are in fixed locations and optimally positioned throughout the bed. As part of our Luxe package, we have aluminum extruded rail that goes along top of the bedside, and that has adjustable cleats. On both sides of the bed, we have 8-inch by 8-inch openings, and that's where we can give the customer our bedside storage. The storage is big enough to hold things like the drawbar for towing, a 2-liter bottle of soda, ratchet straps, bike pump, etc. We have available 110-volt AC outlet. We have bed lighting available. If the customer's wanting to do electrical do-it-yourself, hooking up bed lights or a compressor, they can do that on either side of the Maverick bed through this electrical do-it-yourself provision. For the bike rack specifically, we love this idea of duality. So the bike rack accessory that we offer might be more than $200, but the do-it-yourself equivalent of the bike rack is around $45. The benefit of a truck that has our size and our stance is the accessibility. Customers can easily reach over the bedside to access their cargo. When we designed in all the different features and elements, we also studied specifically making sure things were within reach for the 5th percentile female. If you think about the customer who might do the occasional project, going to the home improvement store or picking up furniture or helping a friend move, the Maverick would be ideal in the sense that it has enough functionality and enough cargo space to accommodate a wide variety of luggage, but it also has the stature to enable maneuverability such that you could pull into a city parking spot and realistically load and unload from the vehicle back or the side. The Maverick flex bed system comes standard with what we call the multi-position tailgate. What we mean by multi-position is the customer can adjust the cable attachment point for the cable that supports the tailgate. And in this way, you can set the tailgate to hold open at an intermediate position. The beauty of this is it enables essentially a bed extender functionality without having to buy or deal with a bed extender. The customer will be able to notice QR codes on either side of the pickup bed. And if you scan those with your phone, it'll take you to a Maverick page, which will be all about flex bed. In terms of that DIY aspect of the flex bed system, we can't even imagine the finite number of things that the customer could do in concept. The customer can build whatever they need to enable their activities in principle.